Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Writing Practices. In today's video, we'll explore how to write an inquiry letter. This type of letter is essential when you need specific information about a product, service, or opportunity. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just seeking details, a well-written inquiry letter can make all the difference. I'll guide you through every section of the template step by step, ensuring you understand how to craft a polite, effective, and professional letter. Let's get started. Sender's information, introducing yourself. The first section of your letter is all about introducing yourself. Include your full name, address, email, and phone number like this. Your name, your address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. Providing these details ensures the recipient knows who you are and how to get back to you. It establishes a professional tone from the start. Date, indicating when the letter was written. Next, include the date in a clear, standard format, such as date, January 28, 2025. The date serves as a reference point and is essential in formal communication. Recipient's information. Addressing the right person. This section identifies who the letter is addressed to. Include the recipient's name, job title, company name, and address. Like this. Recipient's name or department. Recipient's job title, if applicable. Company or organization name. Address, city, state, zip code. Including their job title and organization ensures the letter is directed to the appropriate person or department. Subject, stating the purpose. The subject line summarizes the purpose of the letter in a concise manner. For example, subject, inquiry about specified topic or service. This helps the recipient immediately understand what the letter is about. Salutation, opening respectfully. Start with a formal greeting to maintain professionalism. For example, dear recipient's name or Sir, Madam. If you don't know the recipient's name, Sir or Madam is an acceptable alternative. Opening paragraph, introducing your inquiry. The opening paragraph sets the context for your letter. Here's an example. I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to request information about clearly specify the subject of your inquiry, such as your company's internship program or the availability of specific product service. I am particularly interested in mention any specific details you want to know, such as application deadlines and eligibility requirements, or pricing and delivery options. This paragraph clearly states your purpose and provides initial details to guide the recipient. First body paragraph, providing context. Use the first body paragraph to add context to your inquiry. For instance, provide context if necessary, such as, I came across your organization through source and was impressed by your reputation in specific field. I believe that the information I seek could greatly assist me in state your purpose, such as making an informed decision regarding my career path or selecting the right product for my needs. Providing background helps the recipient understand why you're reaching out and how the information will benefit you. Second body paragraph, specifying your request. In the second body paragraph, outline exactly what you're requesting. For example, to assist with my inquiry, I would appreciate if you could list specific information you need, such as brochures, pricing details, or any other relevant materials. If it is more convenient, I would be happy to discuss this matter over the phone or arrange a meeting at your earliest convenience. Being specific ensures the recipient knows how to respond effectively and provides the necessary information. Closing paragraph, expressing gratitude and encouragement. In the closing paragraph, thank the recipient and encourage a prompt response. For example, thank you for taking the time to address my request. I look forward to your response and any assistance you can provide. Please feel free to contact me at your phone number or your email address for further clarification or follow-up. This polite conclusion leaves a positive impression and keeps the door open for further communication. Closing, signing off professionally. End the letter with a professional closing, followed by your full name. For instance, sincerely your full name. This final touch reinforces the professional tone of the letter. That's it. By following this structure, you can craft a clear and effective inquiry letter that gets the information you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more writing tips. Let me know in the comments what kind of letters you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.